Hello everyone. For today's video we have a really cool device. This is a portable soldering iron. I paid around 18 euros for this. This wasn't very cheap, but for this kind of a device the money is really normal. I chose to pay for the one that has a screen. You long press the on off button and it starts heating up. I don't know if you can see it. If you press it once, it just shows your battery level. This is better. So 1 shows battery level, and if you long press it, it turns on and starts heating. With plus and minus, you just set the temperature you want. Right now, because it doesn't have the tip, it turns off. It comes with, well, at least the one I got, it comes with a USB-C. This charges through a USB-C cable. It comes with 3 tips. They are tiny. Since this is low power, even though this can reach temps up to 400 Celsius, according to the listing, 300 to 450. This is a low power device, so don't expect to be able to solder really thick wires. So that's why they ship really tiny tips. So this came with this. Of course, the instructions. It has a small plastic base so you can rest your soldering iron and don't burn everything. And it also came with this spool of solder. This is really thin. It is nice. It melts quickly, so it is appropriate for this soldering iron. So let's put a tip and see how this thing works. Let's go with this one. So you just press it like this. It also has a light. So let me turn this on and show you. So now it will start heating. And you can also see the light. And it heats really quick. Don't expect for the battery to last very long. It already dropped 1 bar. I'm not sure if this was fully charged, so it already is starting to smoke. Let's see how this will melt the solder. And you can see, really easy. This is a very handy device, really good. Okay, let's turn this off. I am going to lower the temp just for safety, you never know. And I am going to turn this off. So it already dropped to 1 bar. So this isn't for a production job. You will just use this for some quick soldering. Even though this has a really cool, I don't know if it's a feature or whatever, but this device can work even from a power bank. So even if you're, and I say this because some electric devices that are rechargeable, they don't work while they are charged. So this is a nice feature. if it is a feature and wasn't just something they did it on accident. So let's get the power bank. Let's use an amp meter, a USB meter, so we can see what it draws. We are at 5 volt 0 amp right now. Let's see. And we are at 5 volts 0.4 amps. And now this is charging, and it also works while charging. Let's do it this way. So now it is working, and you can see that now that it is working, it is drawing almost 1.3 amps. So that's because it is trying to hit the tip to warm up. So this device, even though doesn't have a really big capacity, you can use it with a small power bank like this, and you can easily do bigger jobs. So that's it. I think this is cool and really handy if you're doing a job on a car, or you can take it with you and do jobs outside. So this was it for this video, guys. I hope you like the device. I will leave a link in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.